thank you so much for joining me at Mama Needs a Goal. If you're new here or you haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to upcycle an old clock that I've had hanging out in my gazebo for the last couple of years that stopped working. There was a sign at Hobby Lobby that I absolutely loved. It was called the Porch Bucket List. Well, unfortunately it was sold out online and in the store. And last week I was sitting in the gazebo looking at the broken clock, and all of a sudden it hit me, why not turn that into my porch bucket list? So today we're going to go ahead and upcycle the clock, so stay tuned. I think you're going to enjoy this one. Alright my friends, here is the clock that I'm going to upcycle. I'm going to go ahead and remove this section out of the middle and insert my little porch sign in there. And as you can see, it's pretty weathered, paint's chipping off and all, but I love that little chippy look. That's kind of what I'm going for. So like I said, I'm going to go ahead and move the middle out of that. But I also want to show you the sign. I just typed this up on my computer. It says the Porch Bucket List. Read a book, watch the sunset, visit with friends, enjoy life, and make memories. I will show a picture of this, the one that was at Hobby Lobby that I loved. But I went ahead and just typed this up on my computer, and I added in a crackle background just to give it a little bit of an old feeling. And then I'm going to go ahead and just add a little bit of my brown chalk paint to it just to kind of age it a little bit once I get it cut out and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you how I'm going to do this. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is remove the backing of this, and as you can see, I got this at Home Goods, and I actually got it on clearance, the red sticker, but you can see how rusty it has gotten. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the screws out of here and remove the back. So let's Now all the screws are out, so I'm going to go ahead and bend back the little tabs. I want to make sure I don't damage them because I'm going to need them again. Then I'm going to remove the center, and I'm going to put that to the side. And now what I want to do is remove this clock here. So I'm going to take a pair of pliers. I am just going to hold on to that, and then there we go, just twist it out. There we go, can we get it? Oops. Okay. Moved out. So I am going to reuse this and put my picture on it. So what I'm going to do now is measure this out. I'm going to draw out, trace it with my pencil. And let's see how we did. Oh, that looks good. So I think I'm going to leave this in. Before I cut it out, I think I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of paint. So this is just a little baggie here. My paintbrush is a little bit damp. And then I'm going to go ahead and get a wet paper towel. Okay, so now I'm going to get a little bit of a wet paper towel. My wet paper towel, just smear it out a little bit. This stuff dries really, really fast. So you just kind of... Okay. Now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and cut this out. So I'm going to go ahead and take this and lay it flat in. And I'm going to take my board, put it back in. I'm going to lay the tabs back down. I'll make sure I line those holes up. Let me go ahead and put my screws back in. Oh, I don't think I have my holes lined up. There we go. There we go. Go ahead and put the screws back in. Okay, my friends, and there you have it. What do you think? I absolutely love it. I think that turned out wonderful. Okay, my friends, that'll do it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video and it inspired you to transform or repurpose an old item that you've had laying around just collecting dust. So thanks again for joining me, and please subscribe and like my channel. I'll see you next time.